Hi Hap, wanna help me? So now I'm going to replace my speakers in my home theater to these Miller & Kreisel S150 speakers. They'll be sitting on top of Isoacoustics Aurea bronze feet to reduce or nearly eliminate the vibration. Currently I'm using the Pioneer Elite speakers, the Andrew Jones series. And you can also see the Isoacoustics down there. So they're going to be replaced right now. Here they are. Extremely nice. They're individually packed. Oh, with actual bronze bottom ring. Looks nice. Won't be able to see it, but looks nice regardless. Okay, let's open this up. Has the catalog inside. And here's the foot. And as you can see, that brand there. Woohoo! Second foot. It's difficult to take it out. That's the second one. The third one. And the fourth one. To do the same thing for every single speakers. So it's gonna take quite a while, and I'm not going to keep videoing the exact same thing over and over again. They have to be installed as such, where the Isoacoustics brand facing outwards or inwards, but not sideways or anything like that. Taking off the cloth wrapper here. Gonna take off the grill first. I'm gonna install the speakers, then put the grill back on. Just look at this, it's so beautiful. So that's how it looks like. Putting the grill back. Magnetic. And simply plugging in the banana connectors to this back of the speaker. Very nice and very unassuming look. And now we're gonna do the exact same thing to the other rear speaker. Ooh, nubbin. Now the speaker is the mirror image of the other speaker, because it comes as a pair, right? So there's a left side and there's a right side. Same accessories, obviously. And here's the close-up of the back. Another set of the Aurea bronze. Oh. Second one, third one, fourth one, 2, 3, and 4. Of course, I'm gonna put the grill on. Looking a lot cleaner that way. So now I have to replace that tower, center channel, sub, and this tower. And of course, I use Isoacoustics Aurea bronze. Gotta make sure to get the correct right one. The white gloves, which is also great for driving. Take it downstairs, put it on the stand, and done. And plug it in, of course. Now this is the part that I have to do, but you don't have to do. I need to change the voltage from 220 to 120 volt. The only reason I need to do this because I ordered this subwoofer from Denmark. That's it. So here you go. Temporarily it looks like this. And yeah. So what do you think? Share your comments down below, and don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to my channel, so the next time I upload a new video, you'll be notified. And for my next video, I'll be reviewing the subwoofer or the S150. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.